This is button mushroom, milky button mushroom. This mushroom is edible, fresh. Just I brought it from my market. It's big bazaar, and this mushroom is really very sweet in taste. It's milky. It's actually by color it is white. That's why it's called milky white mushroom. And just see, look at this mushroom. This is edible, fully edible. This is not poisonous, and another ways, no confusion. Just I will cook it just after few minutes. Before that, all the mushrooms I dip in the water for half an hour. Then I cut it few pieces. Then I will cook. One thing is more. When you will cook mushroom, don't put massive or more oil. Oil-free mushroom is healthy and nutritious. It's very nutritious. Don't put or don't add more oil if you want to add oil, but as per requirement and less. As per requirement or less. Less is very good. In a frying pan, non-stick frying pan, you will cook it without oil. Without oil, mushroom is really very healthy and tasty. And today I will show how to cook oil-free mushroom, tasty and along with healthy. I'm using a non-stick container for this recipe, because non-stick container is more comfortable than other. So without any oil, I'm cooking my mushroom. Already container is more or less temperature is normal in, yes, adequate temperature. So now I can give the chopped onion, garlic and chili, and this is chopped tomato, and this is sauce. This is pizza topping sauce. I'm using it is after garnishing or during garnishing or end of the cook, and then along with tomato sauce. Okay, this is garlic, then onion, green. I will give green chili, but not now. Because when we fry the garlic, doesn't require oil, because garlic and onion, actually onion is a fruit, you know that, I know that. Actually onion, tomato and carrot, radish, turnip, those are fruit. Those are not vegetable. Vegetable two kinds, culinary and botanical. without oil. Already onion is moreover cooked and fried. Then I will give chopped tomato, chili, then salt as per your taste and requirement. Now onion and tomato is mixed and cooked along with the garlic and chili. I will off the gas oven for a few minutes and cover the just off situation, and then I will cover my container for 2 to 3 minutes, and I remove the cover. Just see on my gas oven. Don't add turmeric powder, don't add. Then I will give my mushrooms, pieces of mushroom. I give my all mushrooms in my container, cooking container, and mix with the other spices. And then I will cover my container for 5 minutes. Again, my cover I open. Water is coming out from the mushroom, and mushroom is boiling off from the water, from tomato and garlic and onion. All waters are both together, all together, and it will cook with this water. Don't add turmeric again, and don't add please extra water. Mushroom is moreover cooked and boiled. Then I will add pizza topping sauce. Then I will add some tomato sauce, tomato ketchup sauce. Mix together for a few minutes. Then I will add just little bit, 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Then mix equally. Just after that, at last I will add coriander chopped leaf. Then I will switch off my gas oven and cover the container. This is my oil-free mushroom. This is ready to serve. Enjoy the recipe.